if m, a and t are distinct positive integers such that m into a into t is equals to 1947, then which of the following is the maximum possible value of m plus a plus t? So first we are going to break 1947, which we can write as 1 into 3 into 11 into 59. नाउ वी नो दैट कि जब भी किसी सम को मैक्सिमाइज करना होता है वी कीप द वैल्यूज एज क्लोज एज पॉसिबल. So that means that out of these three numbers, two will be minimum as possible and one will be maximum as possible. So इसमें से two minimum possible numbers हो सकते हैं 1 and 3 and one maximum possible number हो सकता है 59 into 11. So 1 plus 3 plus 649, which is the multiplication of these two numbers, वो बनाता है 653. So that is the maximum possible sum of m plus a plus t, which is in option C. Hence option C is the correct answer for this question.